Hi guys, today we are learning how to make another Discord account first. Unlock your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're signed in to your current account before continuing. Now, tap your profile or profile picture at the bottom of the screen. This will open your account settings. Next, tap Settings to access your Discord account options. Here you'll find different account management features. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and tap Log Out. When the confirmation message appears, tap Log Out again to sign out of your current account. After logging out, tap Register to start creating a new Discord account. You'll be asked to enter your account details. Type your email address or phone number, then tap Next. This information will be used to create your new Discord account. Now, choose a display name for your new account and tap Next to continue with the setup process. Finally, create a unique username and a strong password for your new Discord account. Tap Next to complete the registration process and start using your new Discord account. And that's how you can easily create another Discord account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.